Guys, me again, and yes, we are out ice fishing. Finally, I get out. I get to do some fishing. We're on Gull Lake today, and we're gonna try for some Lakers. See if we can get a few before we gotta go home. So, without any further ado, guys, let's get some holes drilled. Let's get fishing.
Alrighty, guys, so this is all I've been doing. Put on a little pinhead. Little size 12 hook. Just flush hook it, just below the dorsal. Not deep enough to hit the spine. And then I just got it on my little ultralight ugly stick. And then we send it on down. Hope for the best. I actually got marks on the screen already, so let's see if we can't get it to bite here. There's always a chance. Put these guys back in here. Send her on down and just wait. Hope for the best. Right on me, guys. See if he takes it. Oh, he's gonna take it. Fish on, boys and girls. Not sure what it is, but it's something small. Not sure what it is. They're not on an ultralight, so I gotta play with her a bit. Fish on though, boys and girls. On an ultralight. On an ultralight. A little pinhead minnow. Not sure what she is, but I'll find out here in a minute. Not huge. A little laker. A little laker, guys. All wrapped up in my line. Just a little laker. All wrapped up in my line here. Let's try to get her unwrapped here. Alrighty. Looks like she may have swallowed it a bit here, guys, so there we go. Oh. Alright. Enough release, boys and girls. Get her in there. Right back down the hole she came in. There we go. Perfect. Awesome. Yeah, what I was using was a little pinhead minnow. Marks flying up already, guys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen. Right on me. See if she takes it. See if she takes it, boys and girls. was interested there for a second. Got something going on with it. Go ahead, guys. I think we got him. I think we got him. No, we didn't get him. We did not get him. Pick my minnow. Well, we will rig up and we'll get back down there. Okay, let's get back down there, guys, and see what we can get going on. See if we can't get interested again here. Took my minnow. Well, guys, a little update. Still marking fish, but not really getting them to commit at all. So I've set up my hut now, and there's a few other people here with their hut set up and whatnot. And yeah, hopefully we get into some fish here shortly, guys. Well, guys, still nothing yet. We're inside my hut now, as you can tell, and I've marked a few more. Still haven't been able to get them to commit, but it is what it is. At least we caught one fish. That's better than no fish. We're gonna keep trying here, don't get me wrong, but yeah, that's about it. Got my heater going there, got my finder. I am cozy, snug as a bug in a rug. I may not have mentioned this earlier, but we are at 39.8 feet. Keeps jumping between 0.8, 0.9. It could be marks on the bottom that's bouncing off of. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, so we'll just say roughly 40 feet. And seems to be where we need to be. I'm marking all kinds. I just really need them to commit. We're coming into the evening bite. Hopefully things turn on. Well, guys, haven't caught anything in a while. It's been quite a few hours since my last fish. I'm gonna keep fishing for a bit. I've even switched out my rod from my ultralight to my heavier setup for possibly walleye. We're hoping that some walleye will come through. If no more fish come through, then you will not see any more footage on this video. So if that's the case, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, keep having that spin spun fishing fun.